What is going on, my fellow degenerates? Today we are going to be talking about batteries and which one is going to be required for your style of play. Now, we sell both of these batteries here. It's going to be a Titan 7.4 and a Tenergy 7.4, both of which are really well-made and well-designed batteries. However, maybe one might fit your play style a little bit more. The reason why I would recommend going with a Titan battery is mainly guys that are going to be doing more of like milsim events or longer gameplay, because the batteries themselves are going to be a lot thicker because of the higher milliamperage. It's going to be a little bit harder to fit in your normal battery compartments versus a standard battery like from Tenergy, for example. It's 1,000 milliamperage, which should be more than enough for a standard day of walk-on play. It's going to be a lot smaller and very easy to fit into normal battery spaces. Both of these are available online right now. It's been Isaiah from Airsoft. Yeah, guys, take it easy.